Analyze an advertisement by Marlene Nielsen. And I chose this advertisement to analyze, and we are going. Who is the sender? The sender is Calvin Klein, and what is the message and intention? The message is to buy the new perfume. The intention behind the advert is to make people want to buy the perfume. Media. How does the advertiser want to, what does the advertiser want to achieve? The advert wants to achieve sale on the new perfume Euphoria, or just cause some attention around the perfume. How can we see the identity of the sender? The identity of the sender is known in the lower middle area, Calvin Klein. As you see the advert here. Relation between picture and text. The relation between text and picture, I think, is great. Calvin Klein is serious stuff, expensive and dashing, mysterious. Less text, more serious, I think. Now I'm going to describe the picture. What is the picture of? The picture is of a beautiful woman and a Calvin Klein perfume named Euphoria. Composition of the picture: foreground, middle ground, and background. In the foreground, we see the perfume Euphoria with the name and the sender's identity. You can see the name, and that is the identity of the sender. In the middle, we have this beautiful woman. She's looking intense at us, just like the perfume. In the background, we see thunder, and it makes the picture strong and independent. The angle is, we are seeing the picture right on from our own perspective. There's no higher or lower eye levels on this one. The picture is manipulated in the way that they want women to see themselves strong and independent. The advert wants to communicate to women that you're the shit, buy this perfume, you will have a great self-esteem. The colors used is purple. It's a royal and spiritual color. It's considered as untraditional and creative. And the positive energy the purple color can give us is royal feeling, piety, holiness, sentimentality, spirituality, power, mystery, transformation, wisdom, refinement, clarity, and respect. Now we're going to receiver. Who is the target group? The demographics of this target group is females, women, the age of 30 to 60, because it's expensive stuff. You have to have a high income. You can be a doctor, or you can be in the business section or the finance section, and it's a middle to long education. I chose the blue segment as who is buying this product. I mean, the blue segment represents the modern individual. The people segmented according to the blue segment are individualistic, well-educated people who empathize prestige and visible success. Money isn't a problem, they just use them to have as much prestige as possible. The conclusion. Does the communication in the advert work? I think it does. It needs to be simple for the busy woman to see the advert in speed of the busy day. Does the advert make the receiver go through all the steps in the AIDA model? I think it does. We start up here with the attention. The attention in this advert is the mystery girl you see over here. She's drawing us in with her eye. The interest is the perfume. It's in front of the picture, and that is, we can connect it to, we want this perfume. The desire, I would say, is the name Euphoria over here. Now we have a relation to the perfume. We know their name, so that causes the desire to be more, uh, more strong, if you can say that. The action is the name of the sender over here, Calvin Klein. People in this advert is targeted for, people this advert is targeted for, knows where to buy this perfume. They don't need more on the poster to make women fall in love at first eyesight and makes their desires run wild. And that's it for me. Thank you.